Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Rodriguez and I am talking about this week's assignment. For this week's assignment, I chose the third question to work out and solve. So the question was, the points given, were they parallelogram, did they make a parallelogram or not? After the work that I did and graphing out my points on my own app. The app I used was Graphing Calculator. I really was just trying to use it because I couldn't find my graph paper, so that's what I used to make my own photo to graph my points on. So, after my work, I found out that it was an equilateral parallelogram. So the points that we were given for this question were A, B, C, and D. So the points, after graphing the points, I saw that it actually was parallel. The opposite sides having the same slope meant that it was parallel for me. So I found out that it was parallel, and when doing my work, finding A and B and C and D, those slopes, they were both -4. So that told me it was parallel. And then finding the other slopes, B and C, BC and AD, those were 2/5. So that was even more of a reason, or more of evidence that it was a parallelogram, because both opposite slopes were the same. So that told us it was a parallelogram. This proved to me that slopes can create shapes on a graph, and they help identify shapes on a graph. So that was kind of like a aha moment for me in when I was doing this assignment, because I always thought of graphing as just like so simple, and just like it kind of came naturally to me once I like learned how to do it. So I never thought deeply into it, but that was one thing I noticed when I was doing this assignment. So that was my notes and how I found out that the number 3 question was a parallelogram. Thank you.